Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Green and this is another in my Algebra 2 lessons, and I appreciate you being here. What we're going to be looking at today is the next topic in our list, which is 1.03, which deals with synthetic division. Once again, due dates, you have 28 days to get things completed. You go beyond that 28 days, you get a 0 in the grade book. Not a good sign. I do put zeros in the day on the Monday after the grade is due, so you have to you can still do the assignment. They're not locked up. They don't lock up until the 28th day, so you want to make certain you get them done as quickly as you can. Okay, so synthetic division, it's just long division done in a tricky way. Why am I doing it this way? Because long division takes so long to do. We need to find an easier way of doing division. So, looking at this problem over here, we're looking at long division. We're dividing 2x squared plus 3x plus 7 by x minus 2. Well, when you multiplied by the 2x, you got the 2x squared, and minus 2 gave you the 2x times the negative 2 gave you the negative 4x. You subtract that, and it gives you the 7x plus 7, and then you multiplied by 7. It gave you this value here, and you had a remainder of 21. What I'm going to do for synthetic division is I'm going to take the coefficients of each one of these numbers, the 2, the 3, the 7, and that's what I write down, 2, 3, and 7. I'm going to put in this little box over here the number 2. Why? Because that's what we're dividing by is x minus 2. We're going to find out if 2 is a factor of it or not. So bring the 2 down. That's all I did was bring that 2 down. 2 times 2 is 4. Add these two together. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Add these two together. 21. What did we wind up with? We wound up with the coefficients of the answer. Since this one lines up directly underneath this one, it's going to be 2x plus 7 with a remainder of 21. Exactly the same thing as this long division gave you. Which is easier to write? Well, this is much smaller and compact than this. It is just a simplified version, shorthand version of doing long division. It takes a little practice, so I want you to work the problems as much as you can and make certain that you're understanding how to work these problems, okay? Don't forget, if you send me an email, K-mail, make certain you include the fact that you're in Algebra 2, because it really does help me answer your questions for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next class.